I'm about to do some waxing. I've been beasting to wax underneath my chin for like a hot minute now. Who's gonna stop me? Nobody is going to stop me. It's your girl, Life of Ace. I'm back in the building. What's up? What's good? How are you? Okay, so today I'm going to be doing some waxing. This is going to be my first time waxing. I'm trying to speed this up because the baby's going to be home. And when she gets home, it's all about her. Anyways, the company that I'm using is Tress waxing company. All right. Never done an at-home waxing before. I'm kind of freaking out because I know when I do regular wax, it's painful. Alright, so it came with its heater. It is a digital heater. It also came with 4 different wax scents. It came with 2 sprays, one for before the wax and one for after the wax. It came with a wax shield and it came with sticks. They don't have any gloves in here, and I thought they would have had gloves in the kit, but they don't. And we need gloves, right? We need gloves. Okay. Green light when it's at desired temperature. Avoid drinking alcohol. What? It seems pretty self-explanatory. I could do this. Okay, so it has the pre-wax spray and it has the after wax spray. I'm more nervous about my baby getting home than anything else. Like, I just want this cleaned up before she gets here. Let's do some waxing. All right, so this is the pre-wax. Oh. It has like a little coconut scent to it. Low key, high key, I'm allergic to scents. Hopefully this don't break me out. Oh shit, I should have thought about that before You know what? We're already here. See it through, my guy. See it through. I don't want to fuck this up, so let me calm my little happy ass down. I feel like when people talk to me, they look right at my chin. And I don't know what kind of man strength, like what's happened. I've never had chin hairs before. And now I feel like they're super massive. Oh my god, please don't hurt. Please don't be hurt. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Oh god. That is all over the place. That doesn't feel like it was supposed to happen like that. I'm determined to get these hairs off my damn chin. I don't know which direction to pull it in, to be honest. Oh no, it needs to dry a little bit more. Come on, baby. Dry, dry, dry. Ah, no. Damn, it wasn't ready. Ah. I have to do it again. Ah, that hurts. Oh, wait. Ah! That didn't do anything. Okay. I gotta do it again. It's clearly not dry yet, so we gotta wait. That little pain that I felt was a lot, and that was just literally just chin hair. Like, how do people do their legs? This would probably be the only part of my body I'm gonna wax. Up. Ooh. Up. Ooh. Hair is definitely on there. We love that. Yes, hair. Take those bitches off. And it's actually helping me take off some of the residue of the wax. My thought on this product, I like it. I feel like it's super easy to use. It was affordable. I would recommend this product an 8 out of 10 because it didn't have gloves. The bearded hair lady is gone. I like that. La baby, you are home. You are home now. Ew, he's so gross. I really did enjoy that. Okay guys, bye. That was my review.